What you need to know more specifically is that the autonomic nervous system, what it controls with the digestion in the gut, or one of the functions, is to control the function called peristalsis. That's where the muscles and the smooth muscle in the gut, the lining of the gut, kind of does this rhythmic contraction throughout. And basically what that does is it carries the stool along all throughout all the windings of the intestine, down to where the colon starts, and the colon goes up and down and around. So basically it's helping to move everything along and keep it moving as it absorbs nutrients and so forth, and carries that waste out. So when that peristalsis is impaired, slowed down, the stool can become kind of stagnated and dried out and get stuck in there. And so that's the primary cause of it. Another cause is that a lot of folks don't have, or I was going to say before talking about hydration, I was going to say hydration and fiber are the other two things. But the second thing is that some of the Parkinson's medications actually also ironically result in some slowed peristalsis. So there's a two-edged sword there. The third thing was lack of fiber in the diet. A lot of folks with Parkinson's disease, because of the diminished taste and smell that can come with the disease, that those senses can become dulled. So sweet things we tend to taste for quite a long time. That sense is not dulled compared to other tastes, more fine tastes. So folks may tend to crave sweets, and sweet foods, especially candies and pastries and things like that, they're really kind of empty carbs and they don't necessarily have fiber in them. And therefore that can be a problem of not having enough fiber in the diet itself. Fiber as a function in the gut, it helps to actually bulk the stools up because it absorbs water. And as it bulks the stools up, it helps them to kind of keep moving along and not get stuck. The fourth thing is hydration. Dehydration is a big problem in a lot of folks over 65, but especially it's a problem for people under 65. But dehydration can directly result in that because if you recall maybe from previous videos, we talked about the fact that with dehydration, your body is going to pull water into parts of the body that need the water the most. And one of the places it pulls water from or out of is the gut. And so we want to be hydrated properly so that the water stays in the gut where we need it. Of course, in the bloodstream too and everywhere else.